Thank you for your greets, guys. And let's start from Wargaming, because you tell me that you haven't played our games. So we have 20 years experience in video gaming industry. We operate in 19 locations worldwide. We're a leader in the free-to-play market, and we got that's not a good number. We got 150 million registered accounts, so you can see that our games are quite popular. And we got above 4,000 talented employees, so we're quite big. Here you can see some of our games, our flagmans, World of Tanks, World of Warships, our new brand, Total War Arena. We launched it with Sega and Creative Assembly a month ago, and it's a very good game. If you're fond of history or something, just try it. And we relaunched famous Master of Orion. So, next I want to tell you about our core values as a company. First of all, it's happy players. We want everybody to play our games. We want them to be happy, to return to our games, to play it more often. Agility, of course. We have to react on their expectations and provide better products. Teamwork. We use evidence. We try to analyze data before making any crucial decisions, and of course we aim for results. Then I want to tell you about my unit in Enterprise Project Management Office, and our mission is that simple. We improve the value stream. We have different expertise. We are project managers, we are business analysts, we are even customer supports. We're responsible for project management support and alignment of operations and corporate strategy. We help people to set up their work processes. We provide them with frameworks, tools, knowledge bases, and regarding Targetprocess, we also help them to set up their spaces, to educate them how to use it. So it's our main function. Several years ago, we understood that we have some problems and we really need to solve them. Our projects were not aligned with strategic objectives. Our roadmaps, scopes, resources, progress were tracked in different systems, and they were not linked to each other. And we tried to find one source of truth where everybody could find any data. So we started implementing practices of project and portfolio management in company. And the main things we expected, and we reached these expectations from Targetprocess, is that all the workflows and processes can be available, that everything could be customized, or almost everything, and data could be visualized from any perspective. We really liked it a lot. So, how it works. First of all, we don't have on-cloud solution. We started from it, but then we moved to on-premise because we need our tools like resource allocation or SAP to be linked with Targetprocess, and of course our security was very happy about it. They desired that all our Targetprocess was hosted on our servers. And then, of course, we set up dedicated development team with 6 developers, 1 QA and 1 feature owner. Anton, I cannot see you. Where are you? And thanks for these guys that we got a huge backlog of 120 custom features we really need to implement. Yeah, for sure, we will implement it for 10 years, but some crucial ones we really need to see this year. Then we got a small, as I say, maybe unit of customer supports and product managers in Wargaming. Product manager, it's me. Diana is our main customer support, and Julia. I will speak a little about them later. Then we started with go-to-value. It was onboarding which was made, customized for us by Targetprocess team. When they came to our office, they asked about what we really need, how we will use the tool, and it was very helpful. And the best feature we really like from our customization is that we got premium dedicated support with big red button. We sometimes push it even on the midnight, you know, if something is not working. And it's Alexei Parasetiv. Unfortunately, he's not here, but he's our hero, and we will mention him a little bit later too. So we have 800 active users, 90 spaces or projects, 120 teams, and 50,000 work items. And it's growing fast. Actually, I expect that in July we'll have 1,000 active users, well, we definitely see this through because it will be 20% of the company. Then we got achievements and challenges. We started implementing target processes in June of 2017. So we're only a year, but we got some. Oh, you don't see this. Okay, I'll tell you. We got good adoption on project level. So our project teams use target process like World of Tanks guys, like guys from business intelligence. They are very different. My friends from target process asked me if I could make a small review about our users, but I won't because they are so different that it will take me about an hour to talk about them. The thing is that they even use different methodologies. Some use Scrum, some use Kanban, some even use Waterfall and try to get rid of it. We got great support, as I told you. We react really fast on issues from development team, from our support team, and we implemented product structure. I will talk about it on the next slide. But our challenges, our portfolio management system is rather weak now. We have to work on development velocity of our custom features, and we really need to implement some things about our access, like direct access to items, multi-team assignment. And we faced kind of difficult and really painful integration with Jira. It took too much time from us, and now we unfortunately postponed it. So, about product structure. As you can imagine, we have a lot of goals, initiatives, and lots of products, so we understood that our work items should be linked not only to our main initiatives, but they should be also linked to our products. So here you can see the example of if we want to open a new publishing office, for example, in Rio, we will see all the work items dedicated not only to this initiative, but to products too. For example, if we're making some kind of video for World of Tanks console, and it may be divided to World of Tanks PlayStation or Xbox. That's our best feature, I guess. Now about our heroes, I mentioned them before. It's our daily support, and they are most famous that they provide non-development enhancements like mashups where we use users as lanes and their items as columns. And for sure, it's some kind of capacity management. If you'll have this question, I'll address it to Diana because I don't really know that good. And they're our best knowledge base. These guys collaborate every day, even on weekends, and actually, without them, I don't think that it will all fly. Here is our plans. Here you can see some things that we really want to see and use in target process, like capacity management and cost management. We really want to engage more products on high level and on all levels to the system. And of course, we want to create joint portfolio roadmap. So I finished, and I'm ready to answer all your questions, guys.
Thank you, Max. Thanks. That was probably the highest speed presentation of today. I was following everything, and I hoped you got it too. Let's switch it over to Slido so that we see what questions you guys came up with. Okay.
Well, the first one.
No. That's
no.
You'll get a chance to talk about the drawbacks, but we need to switch over to another space down there. Yeah, here we go. Thanks. Okay, question from Georgia, not directly for Maxim, but it seems like a trend. Big companies using TP fear for their data and go on-premise solutions. Igor and guys, space for improvement? Georgia. There must be a question for the speaker.
I can start answering that.
Yeah, let's answer that in
Actually,
tandem.
yeah, we are afraid that our data will be lost because just imagine all these contracts, all this collaboration with third-party development, and you name it, it's really sensitive data, and we are talking about huge sums of money. So yeah, we're afraid of.
Okay. Eugene, do you want to say something on that if you want?
As I told yesterday, we're doing cross geographical backups, so your data is safe. And we are now discussing with one of our customers the way that we will automatically upload the data somewhere where he can access it. So if you're afraid of your data, you can contact us. We can discuss how we can make you feel safer.
So I totally forgot about this, and I beg your pardon. Lots of our teams use Targetprocess, and I will name some of them. And it's World of Tank developers, their management, our Chief Finance Officer's office, our business intelligence, platform teams, marketing creative service, you name them, whole bunch of guys.
Great energy, great talk. Thanks, Maxim.
Thanks. Thank you, guys. And you can address me any questions later if you like. Party.
What's your favorite view in TP that you use and why?
It's definitely our backlog because we make a lot of changes to them, to this view. And this is the view I always show to Antonio, our development guys. And yeah, we like to prioritize it.
What's your project management philosophy?
Guys, I will be fired. My boss is sitting there, and if I tell you, she will kill me. Boss, can I? Okay. Really, I like everything to be structurized. I know this. All of you are agile. You really like that. You should react on something, but yeah, I'll make it straight. I'm a waterfall guy. Yeah, I like it. I like guns. I like it. I like everything to be planned.
Do you have any? Okay. Do you have any cheat codes?
We don't have cheat codes, but some players make them and they get banned for it. We really like fair play, you know?
Okay. How many views have you implemented in Targetprocess?
Oh my, dozens, I guess. Diane, what is your count? About hundreds, thousands?
Okay, we need to do something with that. I know. All right, any more questions? Because Max was super fast and we still have maybe a minute or two. Otherwise, we'll move over to the next speaker. Is all good? You want to ask something? I can
Maybe
pass
some of you want to get premium tank or something. Guys, come on.
What do you know about Madhead Games? That's a provocative question from Madhead Games, guys, I'm sure.
Guys, I really like to see your products. I'm a hardcore gamer myself, but, well, I think I don't have that much time to say anything. But if you show me your project, it will be great.
Great. I like to see collaboration instead of competition. Thanks, Max. Thanks for a good presentation.
Thank you. You are best audience I have.